Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.3% today. Got a lot of really interesting things going on today. Number one, this is our seventh day in a row that's been up. That's the longest streak we've had for the last 2 years, which is great. We also closed at a high that was higher than the last high. So when you're trying to kind of break a downtrend, when you have three highs that are all lower, which is what we had since the end of July, the 11th of October, we hit a little high and then fell back down. And so today we closed above that high from the 11th of October, not by a lot, but we still closed above it. There's some significance to that. We're now at 4373 on the S&P 500. We would like to see it get above 4400 to really kind of confirm this reversal of this little downtrend that we've got, and to confirm that we're still in this overall primary uptrend that started in October of last year. We also had a very special signal happen yesterday. It's this Zweig breadth thrust indicator. Try to say that 10 times fast, but this is an indicator developed by Martin Zweig, who's one of the kind of famous investors of our time, and it does not flash very often. It's only had 18 times that it's said buy since the 1945. Now, the significance of this is a very powerful signal. It actually has 100% positive rate of return after 12 months each time that this thing flashed in the past. Matter of fact, the average rate of return was 23% over that 12-month period, which is quite significant, actually. Again, the market average is 11%, so that's doubling on average the return after the signal comes. So the signal is based on essentially kind of the stretch measures that I use. So basically when something stretches down significantly and then within 10 days is significantly stretched up, which is exactly what happened. I mean, last week we were up 5.8%. And that doesn't happen very often. And when it has happened, it's been quite positive. Matter of fact, the rate of return after just 3 months is 8% on average, and 15% rate of return after 6 months. So quite good in terms of what it's been able to do after a signal like that. So, we're kind of staying in our major trend. We're maybe breaking this minor trend that we have now to the downside and kind of maybe coming back up. We'll see. A couple more, up days here would be helpful too. We have this, nice indicator that's just come out that shows that maybe things are okay. Inflation is still on the decrease, not falling as fast as it should. There's some threats that it could come back, but it isn't. Federal Reserve is, looking to possibly pause here. The market seems to like that quite a bit. And so that's, all lining up to kind of create this market that is climbing this wall of worry. Everybody seems to think it's going to, fall apart. Oil fell to $77 a barrel. It was at 95 here not too long ago. Continues to come down. Market likes that. Bond market is also starting to rally a bit here. You'll notice, the signals here at the beginning of this video, everything's green. We're green on our stock signals and green on our bond signals. That's important also. So it's not a bad time to be an investor right now. Good time to kind of be in there and, see how things play. Again, hopefully, we continue with this good November start that we've had here. Again, it's the second best month of the year on average. So lots of pieces are falling into place here. Kind of excited about it. So look forward to being able to see you again tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I'll talk to you then. Thank you.